The new BioChemSA will require the user to perform preventative maintenance using a BioChem check kit every 10,000 tests. The BioChem check kit will include an instruction sheet, pump tubing, waste tubing, wash solution, check solution, and a card. In order to start the preventative maintenance, the user must first validate the card. To do this, access the system settings from the main menu, then click Scan Card. Place the card on the side of the analyzer and press Scan Card. The analyzer will scan the card and update the system for an additional 10,000 tests. The user can now perform the preventative maintenance, which will take 30 minutes to complete. Part of the preventative maintenance is to replace the pump tubing. The user should remove the existing pump tube and replace with the new tubing from the kit. The next step is to replace the waste tubing. Remove the existing tube from the back of the analyzer and replace with the new tube from the kit. The user will then have to replace the aspiration tubing. First, remove the thicker piece from the end and then from the middle. Replace the thicker pieces on the new aspiration tube and attach back into the analyzer. The last step in the preventative maintenance is to run the check solutions on the analyzer to verify the absorbance and precision of the unit. To do this, the user should follow the steps outlined on the instruction sheet from the check kit. Once the user has completed all the steps of the preventative maintenance, the system will be validated for an additional 10,000 tests.